In this video, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut templates on your computer or laptop. So the first thing we need to do is go and load up CapCut on our computer, and then you can come over to templates over in the left navigation. Now, if you don't see this option, I'm going to show you how to fix this in just a second. But if you do see the templates from this window, you can just go and select one like so. You can then press use template at the bottom of this page. Now, once you've added a template, you can go and replace this with your own video footage. So I'm going to click on import in the media pool, and then I'm just going to upload my own video footage. Once you've uploaded your video footage, you can go and drag it into the template like this, and obviously you can do the same for all of the different template sections. Now, if you don't see templates in CapCut, then what you'll need to do is go and open up an internet browser, go and type in CapCut Online and press enter. You then need to scroll down and click on this online editor. You can then press try online, and as long as you're logged into an account, you should see templates over in this left hand side, and you can now begin using templates in CapCut. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.